This video will teach you how to record audio on your computer for free with an online tool. The video will use AnyRec Free Audio Recorder Online as a demonstration. This free online audio recorder is completely free. You only need to download a small launcher to record the system and microphone sounds from web pages. Visit the AnyRec Free Audio Recorder official website and install the plugin. After installing the plugin, if microphone recording is required, your browser may prompt you to enable microphone permissions. Remember to allow. Then, click Start Recording, and the screen will display that the recording is in progress. Here you can record streaming music, online calls, podcasts, online meetings, and more types of audios for free online. If you need to interrupt the recording temporarily, click the first pause button on the right to pause or resume recording. If the recording is finished, click the stop button to stop the recording. Recorded audio is automatically saved as MP3 format to the audio list in the lower right corner and to your computer folder. Using this online free screen recorder is as simple as that. Moreover, if you want to get high-quality microphone recording and get more features, you can consider downloading AnyRec Screen Recorder. You can record, convert, trim, compress, save, and share audio in one stop. This way, you can record audio on your PC for free. Please hurry up and download it to try. If you find this video helpful, please like and follow our channel. See you in the next video.